Hey everyone, Alec here from Financial Success Secrets. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 powerful quotes from successful investors that will help you achieve financial success. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient.
Warren Buffett.
In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable.
Robert Arnott.
The four most dangerous words in investing are, "This time it's different," Sir John Templeton. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything, but the value of nothing.
Philip Fisher.
The stock market may be all gloom and doom today, but over the long run, it's been the biggest wealth creator on the planet.
Peter Lynch.
The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect.
Warren Buffett.
The best investment you can make is in yourself.
Warren Buffett.
The key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them.
Peter Lynch.
The stock market is a device for transferring money from the active to the patient.
Warren Buffett.
Investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, go to Las Vegas.
Paul Samuelson.
So there you have it, folks, 10 powerful quotes from successful investors to help you achieve financial success. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so be patient and stay focused on your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.